Hi guys, we are Group 5 and we are curious of how the angle of a mirror changes the reflection of an object. Most people know that plane mirrors have a reflective surface that reflects light within 180 degrees of the mirror's face. We use these mirrors every day in our bathrooms, bedrooms, and cars. When you look in a plane mirror, you see a mirror image that is flipped backwards and opposite to the object it is reflecting.
This experiment, we should be able to explain the effects of changing the angle of the mirrors on the reflection of the object.
Materials we will be using in this experiment are protractor, two identical small plane mirrors, modeling clay, a small object like coin or pebbles, a strip of paper, pen, and plastic packing tape. Step number 1. Tape your mirrors together so that they can be open and closed like a hinge, a movable joint on which a door or gate opens and closes. You want to leave a slight gap between the two edges. Step number 2. Using a protractor, mark the angles of 30, 36, 45, 60, 90, 120, and 80 degrees on a piece of paper. Step number 3. Place the hinge of your mirrors at the vertex of your marked angles in the paper. Step number 4. The first angle you will test will be 180 degrees. Step number 5. Place your object in the middle of the mirrors and look at the reflection. Step number 6. Keeping the object equally between the two mirrors, move the mirrors together in the other angles you marked out with your protractor. Yes, there is something in the angle that can help you predict how many objects you can see because as you move the mirror closer together, reducing the angle between them, you will see an increasing number of reflected objects. Oh, the brightness of the subjects is not the same at each angle because as the angle decreases and the mirror get closer to each other, the light entering the interior also decreases, so it gets darker. Step number 7. Write a word on a piece of paper and place it in between the mirrors at 60 degrees. Look closely at the second reflection. Based on what we experimented, the second reflection reflects the opposite side of the paper, and this happens due to the mirror, the right side, reflects to the reflection of what we could see on the left mirror. Thus, it changes the angle of paper which makes it opposite. As what we have experimented, when you put an object equally between two mirrors at 180-degree angle, you will see one reflected object. But when you fold two mirrors at 120-degree angle and put an object in the middle, then you will see two reflected images. The same with 90 degrees angle, you will see three reflected objects. In 60 degrees angle, you will see 5 reflected objects. In 45-degree angle, you will see 8 reflected objects. 36-degree angle, you will see 10 reflected objects. Lastly, in 30 degrees angle, you will see 11 reflected objects.